concept to completion, really the importance of that is the fact that from the time that you start to think about developing a project to the very last final punch list, final inspections, final clean, we're with you from start to completion. So the reason that that's so important is oftentimes in the pre-development of a project, when you're starting to scan ideas and think about what you're going to develop, you come up with really good components that sometimes get lost in the normal building process because you hire a general contractor after the plans are done, after the engineering is done. There's no way for us to value engineer your project. And with modular, it becomes even more important because we do what's called site-specific development, meaning that when we develop a product for you, we need to know the exact geographical location that it's going to, what the transportation routes are that's going to determine the size of the boxes to become most effective. Certain jurisdictions you might be able to do a 16-foot wide box. Other jurisdictions you might only be able to do a 13-foot 6 without going into extremely expensive measures in order to do the transportation and fees. So the concept of completion means that we actually look at the geographical location and then design the whole building around what the limitations are that we know from beginning to end, so that we don't design a building and then try to figure out how to transport it. We already want to figure out the transportation, how we're going to set the building, and almost reverse build the building from the end point to the beginning, and then input all of your desires into that.